What if I told you that your retirement plan was missing its most important piece? I'm not kidding. Forget being a millionaire. We're talking about buying a piece of property and getting a whole new life with it. Today, we're counting down the 8 countries where buying real estate can get you a second citizenship. This isn't just a new travel document. This is the ultimate insurance policy. A plan B for you, your kids, and your grandkids in this crazy world. But you have to listen. Here's the secret no one tells you. These opportunities are changing fast. Laws get updated, prices are skyrocketing, and the deals you see today might be gone tomorrow. So pay close attention because we are about to unlock your family's global freedom. Number 8, St. Kitts and Nevis, the Rolex of passports. Kicking off our countdown at number 8 is the OG of this industry, St. Kitts and Nevis. These guys invented citizenship by investment back in 1984. Think of it like this. You can buy any watch, but a Rolex is a statement of quality and history. That's St. Kitts and Nevis, the platinum standard of the world. That long history means they have one of the most powerful passports in the Caribbean, getting you into over 150 countries without a visa, like the EU, Schengen area, the UK, and Hong Kong. But what's life like there? Expect a relaxed pace on islands with lush rainforests and stunning shorelines. It's a paradise for the active, with water sports like kayaking and paddleboarding readily available, especially around Cockleshell Bay. While the cost of living is more affordable than in the US or UK, it is considered relatively high for the Caribbean because many products are imported. Because they're the best, they are not cheap. The donation option is now $250,000. If you want to own property, the price is $400,000, and you have to hold on to it for 7 years. So the price is higher and the wait is longer, but you're buying into the most respected and trusted program on the planet. Their application process has the strictest background checks, which only makes their citizenship more valuable. It usually takes 4 to 6 months. St. Kitts and Nevis isn't the cheapest, but it offers a reputation that is second to none. For the investor who wants a second citizenship that is a bulletproof long-term asset, this is the Rolex of passports. Number 7, Turkey, the real estate empire. Coming in at number 7, we're leaving the Caribbean and heading to a certified powerhouse, Turkey. For the man who dreams of building a real estate empire for retirement, this is for you. But what about the lifestyle? You're stepping into a vibrant mix of Eastern and Western cultures. The cost of living is significantly lower than in Europe and the US, especially outside of major hubs like Istanbul. You can enjoy a Mediterranean lifestyle, from beautiful beaches to a rich array of outdoor activities. The deal is simple. Spend $400,000 on property, and you, your spouse, and your kids get citizenship. But unlike other places that make you buy into a resort, Turkey lets you buy anything. A huge apartment in Istanbul, a few smaller ones to rent out for retirement, income, a villa on the coast. You build your own real estate portfolio, and you only have to hold it for 3 years. Plus, the whole process is incredibly fast. You could be a citizen in just 3 to 6 months. And just like Grenada, Turkey has that secret USAE2 visa hookup. This passport is your second secret key to living and working in America. If you love real estate and want to build a legacy for retirement, this might be the best deal on the entire list. Number 6, Egypt, the historic gateway to America. For our number 6 spot, we're going to the land of the pyramids, Egypt. Imagine spending part of your retirement exploring one of the most historic places on earth, and what a retirement it could be. The cost of living in Egypt is exceptionally low, estimated to be about 65% lower than in the United States. This means your money goes a long, long way. For expats, daily life is very affordable, with a single person's grocery bill potentially being as low as $100 to $200 a month. You'll find modern communities and amenities, especially in expat popular areas like Maadi and Cairo. The deal is simple. Buy $300,000 worth of property from government-owned land. You have to hold it for 5 years and then you're a citizen. The whole thing takes about 6 to 12 months. But here is the hidden treasure. The real prize. Just like Turkey and Grenada, Egypt has the E2 visa treaty with the USA. This is your third secret pathway we found today to living and working in America. This changes everything. You're not just buying a passport to an ancient land, you're buying access to the biggest economy in the world. For anyone who wants a home base in a huge, historic country, with the incredible advantage of US E2 visa access, Egypt is becoming an unbelievably popular choice. The number 5, Grenada, the secret key to the USA. Cracking our top 5 at number 5 is Grenada, the Isle of Spice. This place is pure paradise, but its real beauty is a secret weapon. Life here is affordable compared to other Caribbean islands with a relaxed pace. The island is a nature lover's dream, with scenic hiking trails and stunning white sand beaches. From exploring crater lakes to walking from beach to beach along the coast, there's no shortage of beauty to discover. It's the only Caribbean country with a citizenship program that also has a special E2 investor visa treaty with the United States. This is a game changer. It means if you get a Grenada passport, it's like a secret key that unlocks a VIP door to the US. You can then apply for an E2 visa to live and work in America by starting a business there. For people from countries that don't have this deal, a Grenada passport is the most direct path to the American dream. But here's the fine print almost everyone misses. Before you can use that key and apply for the E2 visa, you must live in Grenada for at least 3 years. To get this passport, you can donate $150,000. Or the better option is to buy $220,000 worth of property in a government-approved resort. This gives you an asset that can make you rental income in Grenada's booming tourism market. You have to own the property for 5 years before you can sell it and get your money back, all while keeping your Grenadian citizenship forever. The process is fast, only about 4 to 6 months. The Grenadian passport is amazing, letting you travel to over 140 countries visa-free, including the EU, the UK, and even China, which is extremely rare. For anyone who dreams of starting a business in America, this deal is unbeatable. Number 4, Dominica, the Nature Isle's smartest investment. At number 4, we're heading to a Caribbean paradise. This is Dominica, and they have one of the oldest and most trusted citizenship programs in the world, running since 1993. As the Nature Isle, the lifestyle here is all about ecotourism, lush landscapes, and outdoor adventure. Imagine your retirement filled with hiking through rainforests and discovering hidden waterfalls. What makes it so popular is that it's affordable. And the passport is fantastic. Dominica gives you 2 choices. You can give a donation, but for those of you who want your money to work for you, here's where it gets interesting. For just $200,000, you can buy a share in a government-approved resort, usually from huge brands like Hilton or Intercontinental. So you're not just buying a passport. You're buying an actual asset that can generate income in a tourist hotspot. And get this! You only have to own it for 3 years. Then you can sell it, get your investment back, and you keep the Dominican citizenship for life. Think of it like a key to a door. You buy the key, use it to open the door to citizenship, and then you can sell the key to someone else while the door stays open for you forever. The whole thing takes about 6 to 9 months, and you can do it all from your home computer. And the passport itself, it's a beast. It gets you into over 140 countries with no visa, including all of Europe's Schengen area, the UK, China, and Singapore. Plus, their tax system is incredible for non-residents, with no tax on wealth, gifts, inheritance, or foreign income. When you add up the low price, the powerful passport, and the fact you can get your investment back, Dominica is one of the smartest deals on the market. Number 3, Antigua and Barbuda, the ultimate family deal. Our number 3 spot is for all you family men, so listen up. We're talking about Antigua and Barbuda, and it has the ultimate family package deal. The lifestyle here is pure Caribbean bliss, with 365 beaches to explore, one for every day of the year. It's a paradise for those who love outdoor activities like hiking and sailing. The cost of living is considered moderately expensive for the region, but still cheaper than in the US and UK. A single person can live comfortably on a budget of around $2,000 a month. The passport is incredible, with visa-free access to over 150 countries, including the EU and the UK. But listen to this. You can make a donation of just $100,000, And that single donation covers a family of up to 4. This is one of the cheapest ways in the entire world to get a powerful passport for your whole family. If you'd rather own a piece of paradise, you can invest $200,000 in a government-approved property. You have to hold it for 5 years before you can sell it. But here's the best part. The only requirement is that you have to physically be in the country for 5 days during those 5 years. They're basically forcing you to take a vacation, and it gets even better. If you have a big family, you can donate $150,000 to the University of the West Indies Fund. That covers a family of 6. And one of your family members gets a free year of college tuition. You are literally investing in your family's future twice over. For families trying to secure global freedom for the best price, this package is almost impossible to beat. Number 2, Vanuatu. The emergency exit passport. Coming in at number 2 is the break glass in case of emergency option. If you need a passport right now, this is the one. We're going to Vanuatu, home of the fastest passport program in the entire world. Here, life is an adventure. You can stand at the edge of an active volcano, dive on WWII wrecks, and explore pristine jungles and waterfalls. It's a paradise for thrill seekers. With activities like challenging hikes and caving tours, you can also immerse yourself in the unique Melanesian culture by visiting traditional villages. I'm not kidding. When other countries take months, Vanuatu can give you a passport in as little as 1 to 3 months. It's absolutely unheard of. How do you get this speed? You donate $130,000 to the government, and that's it. The whole thing is done online. It's super easy, and you never have to set foot in the country. Now, a super important update. Their visa-free access to the EU Schengen area was suspended. They're working to get it back, but for now, you can't use it for a European vacation, just so you know. Besides that, the passport gets you into around 100 countries. Vanuatu is also a complete tax haven. No income, wealth, inheritance, or capital gains tax. If you ever find yourself in a bad situation and need a way out fast, this passport is your ultimate escape button. Call to action. All right, we are down to our number 1 spot, and believe me, it's a total game changer. If you've been getting value out of this countdown and want to learn more secrets to securing your family's global freedom, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. It ensures you never miss out on crucial information like this. Okay? Are you ready? Let's get to it. Number 1, St. Lucia, the money-back guarantee passport. And our number 1 country where land can buy you a passport is St. Lucia, and it's all about options. This is for the man who wants security above all else, but it's also for the adventurer. St. Lucia is famous for its lush landscapes, particularly the iconic Twin Peaks, known as the Pitons, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, perfect for challenging hikes. Beyond the mountains, you'll find beautiful public beaches, rainforests, and a friendly expat community. While the cost of living can be more expensive than other Caribbean islands, it's still relatively low compared to the US, and a single person can live comfortably for around $1,500 to $2,500 per month. Here are your choices. 1, the donation. You can make a $100,000 donation to the government. 2, real estate. You can spend $200,000 on approved real estate and hold it for 5 years. 3, government bonds. The game changer. This is where St. Lucia changes everything. It's like putting down a security deposit on a passport. You lend the government $300,000 by buying their special government bonds. You don't get any interest, but after 5 years, they give you all of your money back. You essentially get a free passport just for letting them hold your cash for a few years. It's a refundable passport. For anyone who wants to protect their capital, this is an unbelievable option. The St. Lucian passport is super strong, getting you into over 140 countries like the EU Schengen area and the UK. The process takes about 6 to 9 months, and you can do it all from home. That refundable bond option makes St. Lucia a top choice for any investor who wants to keep their nest eggs safe. And that's our countdown. 8 incredible countries where you can literally turn property into a passport. We showed you the fully refundable passport from St. Lucia, the 3 secret keys to the USA with Grenada, Turkey, and Egypt, and the fastest escape hatch with Vanuatu. This proves that you don't have to be stuck with just one option in retirement. You are not just buying property, you are buying freedom, security, and a whole new world of opportunity for your family. This is about writing the next chapter of your life, wherever you want it to be. Which of these countries would you choose? Let me know in the comments right now.